Stop. Put your phone down. Before you buy another Satoshi, listen to this. In 2025 alone, over $2 billion in crypto was stolen from regular investors just like you. Not because the market crashed, but because they made one simple mistake. Most beginners treat exchanges like banks. They leave their life savings on an app. But here's the harsh truth. Not your keys, not your coins. If an exchange gets hacked or regulated, your money is gone. Today, I will show you the only way to truly own your wealth. This represents freedom. It's called a cold wallet. Unlike a hot wallet on your phone, this device keeps your private keys offline. Hackers cannot touch what they cannot reach. It is the digital equivalent of a vault buried in your backyard. Setting it up takes less than 10 minutes. You generate a 2-4-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper. Never take a photo of it. Never type it into a computer. This piece of paper is the only key to your kingdom. Lose it, and no one can help you. Keep it safe, and you are your own bank. Don't be a statistic. Secure your future before you build it. I have linked the official sites for the most trusted hardware wallets in the description below. Do not buy them from Amazon or eBay. They could be compromised. Use the official links. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.